It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Breezy, Chris Brown, with a diss to Quavo. It's called The Weakest Link. So we see lots of shenanigans that go on in the hip-hop scene. So I guess this is just the next one. So we're going to jump in that one and hear where Breezy have to say about Quavo and see what we can dissect from it. So let's jump in that one and Zone, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself for that direction. I'm going to say, react to this, so we are here. All right?
Pull up! Yo!
Let's go!
Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
Hey, Chris, I don't want no issues, bro. I don't want no smoke. I don't want fights. I don't want to do nothing, bro. Like, please, bro.
Hold on, that's Quavo? Quavo that?
Chris, I don't want no issues, bro. I don't want no smoke. I don't want fights. I don't want to do nothing, bro. Like, please, bro.
Who want smoke with me?
Yeah.
Who want smoke with me?
Yeah.
Who want smoke with me? Who want smoke with C? Who want smoke with me? Who want...
So hold on. I'm not sure why the argument start, why the beef start, but from what Zoni was saying, it was Karachi. Karachi, let's call her Karachi. Fuck it, martial arts. Karachi. Whatever she name. Karachi. Yes, Karachi. Yes. That is Chris Brown ex, I believe. Now Quavo and Karachi there. I call her Karachi for this video only. Karachi.
Who want smoke with me?
Yeah.
Who want smoke with me? Who want smoke with C? Who want smoke with me?
Who want smoke? Chris, the boss said him no want a problem with you. Him say him no want no issues with you. So why you gonna say who want smoke with you? Alright, him no want to smoke, you know, leave him alone, Chris. Don't bully him. Let's go. Let's hear some direct disco. Who want smoke with me?
Okay, let's get down to the facts. Pussy, I'm dripping red. Don't let this R&B shit fool you niggas, get ripped to shreds. Quavo talking like he a thug, nigga, you a bitch with dread.
Name calling. I like it. The name calling, the direct disses. I like it. The man said, don't make this R&B shit fool you, bro. Don't make this R&B shit fool you, bro. It's about that life. He stand on business. So if you want it, he's gonna give it to you. The man said Quavo is a bitch with dreads. B-I-T-C-H with dreads.
Shit fool you niggas, get ripped to shreds. Quavo talking like he a thug, nigga, you a bitch with dread. Can't wait to see the day that you back up all of that shit you said. What's up?
Can't wait to see the day you back up all of the shit you said. So you been on the media talking all this Mac. When me see you, make sure say you back it. Make sure see you're about that life. If you're not about that life, stay off the media, bro. That is what Chris is saying. Not me. Not me.
Dripped in red. Don't let this R&B shit fool you niggas, get ripped to shreds. Quavo talking like he a thug, nigga, you a bitch with dread. Can't wait to see the day that you back up all of that shit you said. What's all that ball shit you talking? You ain't no huncho, nigga. You the weakest link out of your clique. Let's keep it a hundo, nigga.
Ah, shit. What this bar shit you talking, bro? You're not huncho, nigga. You are not that guy. What you talk about? Furthermore, you are the weakest link. Goodbye. The man say you're the weakest link out of your clique, brother. You're the weakest link in the Migos, bro. The man say you are the weakest link. Goodbye.
You a bitch with dread. Can't wait to see the day that you back up all of that shit you said. What's all that ball shit you talking? You ain't no huncho, nigga. You the weakest link out of your clique. Let's keep it a hundo, nigga. You fuck my ex-hoe, that's cool. I don't give no fuck, little nigga. Cause
man say you fuck me ex-whore. You fuck me hex-whore. Me hex-whore Karachi. Yeah, the man say you fuck Karachi. I don't give a fuck, little nigga.
Out of your clique, let's keep it a hundo, nigga. You fuck my ex-hoe, that's cool. I don't give no fuck, little nigga.
Move.
Cause I fucked your ex when you was still with a bitch. I'm up, little nigga.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
The man say fuck your ex when you was still with her and fuck your girl.
I don't want no smoke.
Fuck your girl.
I don't want to do nothing, bro.
You fuck him ex one time, him leave her, him fuck your girl.
Who want smoke with me?
No.
Who want smoke with me?
Not me.
Who want smoke with C?
Not me.
Who want...
No.
Who want smoke with me?
Not me.
Who want...
Let's go.
Okay, let's get down to the facts. Pussy, I'm dripped in red.
Red.
Don't let this R&B shit fool you niggas, get ripped to shreds.
Shreds.
Quavo talking like Can't wait to see the day that you back up all of that shit you said. What's all that bullshit you talking? You ain't no huncho, nigga.
Nope.
You the weakest link out of your clique. Let's keep it a hundo, nigga.
100.
Fuck my ex-hoe, that's cool. I don't give no fuck, little nigga. Cause I fucked your ex when you was still with a bitch. I'm up, little nigga. They say revenge is sweet. Now think about that shit. Don't let that line go over your head. I might just sing about that shit.
Them say revenge is sweet. Now think about that. Quavo know exactly what Breezy is talking about right here. He said, don't let it go over your head. Think about it. Shit.
Now think about that shit. Don't let that line go over your head. I might just sing about that shit. I had a feeling about that dick. There's something sweet about that shit. I got some tea about that bitch, but I ain't gonna speak about that shit.
The man say him have some tea about that shit, but he's not gonna speak about that shit. Not yet. If Quavo decide to answer, I think Breezy is gonna say something about that shit. If Quavo decide to reply to this, I think Breezy is gonna say, Quavo, reply. Quavo, reply. Reply.
There's something sweet about that shit. I got some tea about that bitch, but I ain't gonna speak about that shit. I ain't playing chess with a checker player. I'm a ticking bomb on a detonator. I shit on niggas, I'm a defecator.
Ew! I shit on niggas, I'm a defecator. I'm a shitter.
That line go over your head, I might just sing about that shit. I had a feeling about that dick. There's something sweet about that shit. I got some tea about that bitch, but I ain't gonna speak about that shit. I ain't playing chess with a checker player. I'm a ticking bomb on a detonator. I shit on niggas, I'm a defecator. I put amigo on a ventilator. Stop talking about beating girls. You was
I will put amigo on a ventilator. Jeez.
I shit on niggas, I'm a defecator. I put amigo on a ventilator. Stop talking about beating girls. You was beating bitches on the elevator. We seen the taste, that's devastating. You doing bad.
So talking about beating girls, you was beating girls on an elevator when you say, did Quavo come at Chris Brown? Like, I don't know. I'm not a massive fan of the hip hop scene currently, so I don't know what is going on. Did Quavo say something about Chris before?
Talking about beating girls. You was beating bitches on the elevator. We seen the taste, that's devastating. You doing bad. You a bitch and your music trash. Fashion week, they.
The man say you're a bitch and your music is trash. Jesus.
Niggas, I'm a defecator. I put amigo on a ventilator. Stop talking about beating girls. You was beating bitches on the elevator. We seen the taste, that's devastating. You doing bad. You a bitch and your music trash. Fashion week, they set me next to your lame ass. I was truly mad. All I kept thinking.
Fashion week, they set me next to you, brother. Like, I had to sit next to you. I was truly mad. Cause why are you putting me, Chris Breezy, against this pussy wall here? That is what Chris is saying, not me. Not me.
You a bitch and your music trash. Fashion week, they set me next to your lame ass. I was truly mad. All I kept thinking about was breaking your face, but I gave you a pass. You lucky I ain't wanna fuck the money up, boy. I would've broke you in half.
The man said, all this time when he was sat next to you, the only thing him can think about is breaking your face. Breaking your face with him fist, brother. But you're lucky say him never wanna mess up the money. When him get paid to be there, that's why him gave you a pass. Quick. Quavo. Chris say a pussy all yeah, man.
Breaking your face, but I gave you a pass. You lucky I ain't wanna fuck the money up, boy. I would've broke you in half. Quit trying to be tough, you ain't like that. Why you keep showing off? Quit talk about drugs, you the only pack that I've been smoking on. I just hit my plug, told him come back, I'ma need more than one. Your last album was a weed trade, just some bullshit that we roll up on. You know what's on, put you to bed. Night, that's Sudafed. Show me that I'm tender, bitch. Time to prove what you just said. R.I.P. Takeoff, he the only real one that got true respect. Crazy.
Whoa. R.I.P. Takeoff. The man said Takeoff are the only realest one, out of the crew. Man said next to a pussy. No, he never said next to him, said Quavo.
Roll up on, you know what's on, put you to bed. Night, that's Sudafed. Show me that I'm tender, bitch. Time to prove what you just said. R.I.P. Takeoff, he the only real one that got true respect. Crazy how when he died, everybody really wished it was you instead.
Oh, shit.
Don't say that, don't revenge. This one, Chris, don't say that, don't lose your head. You done turned a big bad wolf on these fuck niggas, never knew revenge. This what happens when a fuck nigga push a real nigga out to the edge. This what happens when a dumb nigga get fame and it get to his head. You gon' kiss this ring, nigga. Big fuck you from my middle finger, I tattoo.
You gonna kiss this ring, nigga. Big fuck you from my middle finger. Whoa!
Get fame and it get to his head. You gon' kiss this ring, nigga. Big fuck you from my middle finger. I tattoo my trigger finger. Bring real beat to your dinner table. My mental state ain't never stable. I know.
Bring real beef to your dinner table. My mental state is ever stable. The man said, him crazy, him sick in my head.
Finger, I tattoo my trigger finger. Bring real beat to your dinner table. My mental state ain't never stable. I know this shit gon' sting, nigga. I run your ass through the ringer, nigga. You just got body by a singing, nigga. Bitch. Who wants smoke with me?
I just realized. Him just trap the whole song without putting a chorus in the middle. Him just drop by the chorus now. Who wants smoke with me? Him just put by the chorus now. The construction of the song, bro, is like chorus at the start, chorus at the finish. Him say he just got bodied by a singing nigga.
Nigga, I ran your ass through the ringer, nigga. You just got bodied by a singing nigga. Bitch. Who wants smoke with me? Who wants smoke with me? Who wants smoke with me? Who wants smoke with C? Who wants smoke with me? Who wants...
Hold on. Hold on there. Look at the thumbnail, though. Look at the thumbnail. Look at the Look at the thumbnail, bro. No, sir. Chris, move your bumbo clot and leave Quavo alone. Chris, don't be bullying Quavo. Don't be bullying Quavo, Chris. Wee! Yo, shit, bro. Is this coming from Karachi? This is what I'm calling her, Karachi. Fuck it, Karachi. This is not Chris Brown. This is Breezy, bro. There's nothing about Chris Brown that's in that track. That's Breezy right there. That was Breezy right there. Fucking hell. Yo. No sub, he went direct. First of all, he went direct. The beat is sick. Breezy went ham. And this is not Instagram. So big up yourself, Breezy. Respect for going direct, bro. Cause none of these artists love to beat around the bush. Breezy, big up your fucking self, dog. Big up yourself, bro. Yeah. Quavo, we are awaiting your reply. Wait, what is going on in the hip-hop scene? What is happening? Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Please drop a sub if you're new around here. Drop a like on the video if you like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace. Fucking hell, dog.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, rock on earth.